This short video will walk you through the various forms you have already seen prior to this course. Hopefully this will help you understand those forms more fully so you can be an advocate for yourself and the courses you need to take. On the screen now is an example of a transcript evaluation, also known as an articulation agreement. When we went through your transcripts, we developed and sent one of these to you to give you a snapshot of what courses were accepted when transferred in and what courses you still need to take in order to meet the graduation requirements. This form is a permanent document in your file at the college, so you need to sign and date the one sent to you with Dr. Julie Dragstra's signature on it. It was sent to you within the Welcome to the Program and How to Get Registered for Classes email you received from Dr. Carrie Stammer, the director of the online program. The signatures portion you will find, if it is the signed one, will be right here on this page. Says it's an unofficial transcript evaluation. Once it is an official one, once you committed to coming to Northwestern, then this changed and there's a signature line added. So this is where you will find the spot where you will need to sign the form. Once you have signed the form, you can either print it and mail it back in the mail, or you can sign it and date it, take a picture of it, or scan it and upload it into the designated drop box in the course. Either way you do this is fine as long as we have your signed form returned. The last page of this transcript evaluation is what we refer to as your plan of study, or POS. Once your transcript evaluation is completed, we look at the courses you will need to plug in to within this course schedule, and then we will put an X in front of the course that you are needing to take at what semester. Each semester, your advisor will look at this form and update it with the courses you have taken and the ones you have yet to take and resend it to you. We understand that along the way there may be a time when you need to drop a class or rearrange a schedule due to life events, and that is just fine. But please work with your advisor to make sure we can get your course schedule to work out correctly, especially if you are needing financial aid. So each spring and fall semester, your advisor will look at this plan of study, revise it as needed, and resend it to you prior to registering for the next semester's classes. A couple of things to keep in mind when you are thinking about course schedules is you have to have a minimum of 6 credits per semester in order to qualify for part-time financial aid, and 12 credits each semester for full-time financial aid. You must also get a final grade in the course of a C or higher in order to have passed that course. There is also a 30-hour service mission requirement that you need to complete prior to graduation that is not worked into this course load. There is another section within this orientation course that will talk more specifically about this requirement, but many students like to start thinking about it when they can plug that experience in when they are looking at their schedule. If at any point you have questions about your schedule, please do not hesitate to contact your advisor and they will work with you to help meet your needs within the course and helping to balance school, work, and your life. Here is another snapshot of a form that was not sent to you but is available to you if you would like to use it. It is a course offering and completion form. It has the courses that you will need to take as part of your graduation requirements. Now, some of them you will have transferred in, as you can see off your transcript evaluation that was sent to you. Others you will need to take. So this sheet of paper can be filled out if you would like to help you understand and see where you are at. If you would not like to complete this form, you do not need to, as your advisor has one in your file and they are keeping track of all your courses and where you are at. But some students really want to make sure they are doing everything they can to meet the requirement. So feel free to download and use this form as you would like. On the back of this form is an outline, or a very brief outline, of the health-related service mission. Just to get you thinking about it, there has to be a proposal and a paper, and the section that talks about the health-related service mission goes into this in a lot more detail, but just know the back of this form, if you choose to use it, helps you stay organized with that as well. If at any point you have questions or concerns and would like to talk to the director of the program, the contact information for Dr. Carrie Stammer is listed on the bottom of your transcript evaluation that was sent to you. You can reach her by phone or by email, and she'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.